And guys, welcome to another episode of Quiz Me with Quibski. So, for the first time, may female guest tayo. Salamat naman. Yay! Miss Jobelle, pakilala ka naman.
Hello. I'm Jobelle Bodestyne. I'm working as a operations engineer at Asurion.
Sure, yun. So, Miss Jobelle, certified ka ba?
Yes po.
Yes. Ilan certifications mo?
Dalawa po.
Anong certification yan?
Solutions Architect Associate and SysOps Administrator.
SysOps Administrator. Gaano katagal na?
I think 2016 ako nag-start magpa-certified. So, more or less 3 years.
3 years to. Na-retake mo na ba or napa-retake ka na ng exam?
Yes po.
Mas mahirap ba yung retake or parang recertify versus yung first?
Sa akin, medyo pareho lang sila. Pero, compared dun sa first exam, syempre, ngayon meron na akong parang expectation kung ano yung magiging parang structure ng mga questions and yung siguro time pressure medyo na-handle na.
So parang bihasa na, no? Bihasa
Medyo.
na sa examination. Alright. Sa work ba, parang reflective ba siya ng exam? Kasi sa exam, parang minsan kailangan marami kang alam, no? Pero sa work ba, mas okay na mag-deep dive ka ng mga services?
For me, mas okay na siguro yung more on deep dive ka sa specific services ni AWS. Pero sa akin din lang din, dapat meron ka lang ding basic knowledge or yun nga, background dun sa ibang services lang.
I see. May favorite service ka ba?
Sa akin more on compute database.
Compute at database?
Yes.
Alright. Na-try mo na yung mga bagong database ngayon like yung DocumentDB, time series?
Right now, hindi pa. Siguro ang natatry ko pa lang din is Dynamo, RDS, then Redshift.
Okay. Sige, so handa ka na ba sa ating mga katanungan, no?
Ready na.
Ready na. Alright, sige. Okay, so may mga questions tayo na babasahin ko and then random yung choice ng questions natin, no, guys? Okay, ito na. The first question. You have a number of application servers behind an ALB. Ito, favorite ko to, ALB ngayon. Which of the following is a way of monitoring HTTP requests from users to your application? 1. CloudWatch metrics. 2. Access logs. 3. Request tracing. 4. CloudTrail logs.
For me, request tracing.
Request tracing. Yan yung answer. Bakit hindi number 1? Ano yung alam mo sa number 1?
For me, CloudWatch metrics, more on monitoring siya ng different services like EC2, CPU utilization, pwede siyang memory, disk, and network.
I see. How about number 4 naman?
Number 4, more on API lang siya. Siguro yung more on activity din siya dun sa console. Pwedeng dun mo siya
I see.
makita.
So, ang choice mo ay number 3.
Number 3.
Okay, tingnan natin if number 3 nga ba, guys. Ito, number 3. May drum roll. Ganun, no? Ganun. Drum roll. Yun. Tama. Number 3 nga. Okay, good start tayo. Good start. Okay, another one. Okay, next question. Ito, short lang. Yung question, pero mahaba yung answers. Ayan. Pabasa na lang ng question.
Okay. How does S3 determine which partition to use to store files? 1. S3 automatically stores your files on a randomly partition. 2. The bucket name determines which partition the file is stored in. 3. By default, all files in the same bucket are stored on the same partition. 4. The key name determines which partition the file is stored in.
Nako, mahirap to
Medyo
ako din, hindi ko rin alam yung sagot na to. Tingnan natin. Adjust ko lang para makita yung lahat in one go, no? Sorry, adjust ko lang yung ating settings, no? Yun, hopefully kita na lahat. Pero habang nag-iisip ka, isipin mo lang anong
Okay.
pipiliin mo. So, ang sabi dito, yung S3 nga, guys, yung unlimited storage natin, no? Apparently, sinestore pala yun sa isang hard disk somewhere at may partition. At tanong dito, parang deep dive question to,
Yep.
kung saan sinestore.
Siguro, mag-uumpisa akong magtanggal muna, like, siguro sa ginagawa natin sa exam, madalas, automatically stores your files.
Oo. Ano yung thought process mo? Ano lang, para din maalam din ng mga viewers natin.
Siguro hindi siya random partition ini-store automatically. Siguro may basis siya kung paano talaga ini-store yung mga files. Then, 2, the bucket name determines which partition in the file is stored. Siguro, hindi. 4, by default, all files in the same bucket are stored on the same partition. For fault tolerance, siguro hindi siya. I think 4, the key name determines which partition the file is stored in. Random guessing.
Random guessing. Sige, tingnan natin if 4 nga, no?
Yep.
Okay, tingnan natin. Parang feeling ko malakas din ako sa 4. Pero yun, tama nga. Tama yun. Kasi ako, pagkaintindi ko nito, no? Yung first 2 nga, sabi mo, pag masyadong random, pwede random, pero baka wala tayong optimization. Ang bucket name naman, parang, for me, dapat yung buckets hindi nagde-determine ng objects. So, feeling ko maganda nga yung sagot ng 4. And tama ka nga. Yes. Okay, next. Yeah, next question na. So, ako naman magbasa ng question na to this time. You've been asked to deploy a clustered application on a small number of EC2 instances. The application must be placed across multiple AZs or availability zones, have high speed, low latency communication between each of the nodes, and should also minimize the chance of underlying hardware failure. Which of the following options would provide this solution? Number 1, deploy the EC2 servers in a cluster placement group. Number 2, application should be deployed as a service in ECS. Number 3, deploy the EC2 servers in spread placement group. Number 4, create a new VPC with a tenancy of type of host and deploy the instances in the VPC. Yun.
Medyo mahaba siya.
Mahaba.
Pero, 1, deploy the EC2 servers in a cluster placement group. Hindi ko pa siya masyadong, hindi ako masyadong familiar with kung meron ng cluster placement group. Pero alam kong may cluster placement group. So the application should be deployed as a service in ECS or an containerization yung
containerization yung move ng sa number 2.
Number 3, deploy the EC2 servers in a spread placement group. I think
parang reversion ng cluster, no?
Yeah.
So yung cluster parang palapit, while yung spread palayo. Okay.
Number 4, create a new VPC with a tenancy type, host, and deploy in an instance in the for me, number 3.
Number 3.
Yeah.
But for you, hindi to good example, or in this case, bakit hindi tayo magko-container based sa question?
For sa akin, kasi container, pwedeng, lang siya isang availability zone siya i-place. Kahit yung nasa loob niyang mga VM is, syempre magkakahiwalay. Siguro yung yung sa 3 kasi spread placement group, ibig sabihin siguro, pwede natin siyang spread, multiple placement group. Kasi parang ang objective ng placement group lang is, I think, single availability zone lang siya pwede. Yung spread.
And yun nga, yung sa container dito, yung underlying host niya, isang metal pa rin more or less, or minsan multiple metals. So, hindi siya nag-minimize ng chance of underlying hardware failure, no? So, number 3,
Yes.
tingnan natin if number 3 to, guys.
Number 3.
Ayan, tama. Palakpak naman tayo sa ating women in tech, no? Alright. Okay, 3 out of 3, guys. Oh. Nice work. Next question. Ito, mahaba yung question at mahaba din yung answer. Kaya ako magbabasa ng question, ikaw basa ng answers, no?
Okay.
You have been hired by a large online store, parang Amazon lang, to help optimize their web application. There are 3 web servers behind an elastic load balancer. Each connects to the same RDS instance. This RDS instance started out as a small memory-optimized instance. However, as the traffic increased, the company has moved to a larger instance type. The current instance is the largest RDS instance currently available. O, pinakamalaki na daw. So, wala nang lalaki dito. Ano kayang size to? 2XL? Ganun siguro, no? 2XL? O baka, may 4X, may 12XL ata. Sobrang laki. Basta ito yung pinakamalaki na size.
Mahal yan.
Pero, mahal. Tama ka, mahal nga to. Pero, ito na, it's beginning to run out of memory. Kahit ganun siya kalakas, nawawala na siya ng memory, guys. You need to find a way to further scale the web application. What would you do? Okay, sobrang laki ng e-commerce store na to na ito na yung problema nila. Sana umabot tayo sa ganitong problema, no? At super successful tayo. Ito. So, yung options?
Option 1, increase the number of EC2 web instances so you can have even more connections to the RDS.
Oh, yan. Sa tingin mo, possible option ba siya?
Sa tingin ko hindi kasi mas lalong magkakaproblema yung RDS instance. Malulunod.
Malulunod, okay.
Right. Number 2, advise the company to hold a sale and then contact Amazon to pre-warm the elastic load balancer.
Ito.
Sa tingin ko hindi din siya makakatulong. Kasi kahit na mag-pre-warm tayo din, syempre may spread niya talaga yung traffic within the EC2 pero ang bagsak pa rin kasi dun pa rin sa RDS.
So yun yung bottleneck na nakikita mo sa question, no?
Number 3.
Number 3?
Add a couple of read replicas and adjust the application so that read-only traffic is diverted to these instances. Write traffic will remain with the main DB server. Ito. Sa tingin ko, makakatulong talaga siya na mabawasan yung traffic within the main RDS. Kasi lahat lang ng read papasok dun sa mga read replicas, which is malaking tulong talaga.
I see. Parang scaling issue yung dito. Okay, so ito possible. Okay, may last ano pa tayo option?
Option 4, advise your customer that their application has grown beyond the capabilities of AWS and should be migrated back to an on-premise solution.
Okay, ito, anong masasabi mo sa option na yan?
Hindi siya. For sure, hindi siya option na solution para dun sa problem.
Oo, parang counterintuitive pa nga to, no? Parang babalik ka out of the cloud tuloy.
Yes.
Ang hirap na nun. Kaya ang sagot mo dito ay?
3.
Number 3. Okay, read replica. Tingnan natin if tama yun. Read replica. Ito na.
Yes.
Yes, tama. Say one last, pang fifth, no? Okay, ako, again, babasahin ko yung question. Which of the following services is used for monitoring AWS resources as well as applications you run on AWS?
Option 1, CloudWatch. Option 2, CloudTrail. 3, Systems Manager. 4, X3. I think number 1. Kasi yung 2, which is CloudTrail, more on logs, API lag siya. Then 3, Systems Manager, more on pag-centralize ng mga updates, gano'n.
Pwede. Actually, parang ito ata yung SSM, yung ini-install na agent,
Yes.
no?
Sa mga EC2.
Sa mga EC2. Yun.
Yung for X-ray, hindi ako masyadong familiar.
Ah.
Bago siya.
Yeah, so ang X-ray, guys, hindi to no, parang see-through, no? Pero actually, yung idea nga nito is very useful siya sa mga serverless applications. So, up level, tapos i-add mo doon yung X-ray na code para ma-monitor mo pag talon-talon siya ng microservice. So, ang sagot mo dito again was?
1, CloudWatch.
CloudWatch. Okay, tingnan natin if perfect ba ang ating guest ngayon. Perfect nga, guys. Perfect yung guest natin. Galing, no? So, masasabi talaga natin dito na very competitive ang ating women in tech.
Yes.
Correct. Perfect. So, ito na ang last few words na lang para baka pwede mo encourage din yung mga, ano masabi mo sa mga ladies out there na hindi active sa tech or gusto nila maging active sa tech?
Sa akin, we matter.
We matter.
Yes. For me kasi, especially in the tech industry, siguro mas okay na hindi lang yung opinion ng mga male yung maririnig natin. Siguro mas okay kung merong mga female na magbibigay ng opinion para siguro, balance in terms of ideas sa tech.
Ayun guys, narinig nyo na, galing kay Miss Jobelle.
Yes.
Alright, okay, thank you again. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and also invite other people to like and subscribe. Alright, thank you. Yay!